Alright, y'all. So we in the car. It's snowing outside. Well, it already snowed. It snowed yesterday and last night. So we on our way to go sledding. So let me see what it's giving. So we're gonna come back to y'all when we get there. At this big, I don't think y'all can see how big the hill looks. I'm a little scared. Y'all. Okay, I wish I would have brought the stick. Oh, the snow's already in my boots. He just went up baby and shit like that little ass.
I can't climb it.
It's giving scary, y'all. What y'all think? Come on, go right there. Huh?
You better watch and make sure ain't no cars coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. You're good.
Yeah.
Yes. Your hands cold?
Holy shit. You not gonna go?
I am. You gotta hold the camera.
You gotta get that yourself.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
Be careful, the button's just right there.
Alright.
The
I
button.
got it. Yeah, I'm a little out of breath. I ain't had to slide on a nigga in a minute. You know you the coldest. I came outside just so I could see that. You know you the coldest. Go ahead. Oh my goodness. Don't hurt yourself. Hers was cooler than mine, y'all. She could kind of fit on there. I can't. Go ahead, go back.
It was cold.
Gotta do it twice, cuz. Come on, Mom. Show us what you got. Show us what you got. Oh, shit. Oh. She jelly. Oh, shit. You ain't fucking with us, you hear me?
Ooh.
Shit cold. You make me want to go again.
Go again where it's like slick down already.
Alright.
It's gonna make you go fast.
I don't know if I want to.
Oh, my hand's so cold, y'all. Hold on, I want to record you on my phone. Fuck, my phone's in the car. Hold on. Okay. Come on. It's hurting my face. Okay, y'all. It's because you don't want to put your feet up. Pause.
Yes, exactly. Men don't naturally put their feet in.
Don't say it like that. Yo, I think you should go one more time.
Yeah, you should.
No, you should, for real.
No, I don't.
One more time.
I'm okay.
Why?
I had fun.
Please.
No.
Please. I didn't get it good on the vlog. I got it good on my phone. Oh, that shit cold as fuck.
You said what?
That shit cold as fuck. That was good. That was a good one. Yeah. Yeah. As y'all can see, we're having a little too much fun.
Come on.
Okay. Come on, what?
You gonna go?
No, I'm done.
You done?
My fingers are cold, y'all.
I gotta go.
Okay, he's gonna go again. I know the food about to come.
We gotta go.
Oh, damn, I gotta wait with the camera. Hold on, let me see.
Yeah, we gotta go. Yeah. How many minutes we got?
We got 5 minutes.
Damn, that's it?
Yeah.
Fuck it.
We can add this to another vlog.
Hear me?
We had fun, though. Okay, y'all, we gonna check back in.
Came to a bigger hill. I'm gonna go voiceover. Yeah, we had to come to a bigger hill, y'all. Get it in real quick. I was riding past to get mama, and I seen some people over here on this hill. I said, okay, this way is that right here. I go down right here? Or is this shit right there? You gonna have to push me.
Huh?
You gonna have
Push
to,
you?
yeah.
You need to make sure you stop yourself when you get onto that sidewalk.
I'm saying, how am I gonna stop myself?
It's not safe. What you mean? You better stop yourself.
Well, you supposed to be down there to stop me.
All right, bye. I need to record for you, or you gonna record?
You
All right, wait. You record the first time, or you gonna be able to record, hold the phone, and go down?
Yeah.
I want you to do it from that point of view first, and then do it from you recording.
You better not fall.
Huh?
I said, be careful.
You?
She's scared, y'all. She's scared for me. Look at the view, y'all. Right there by the highway, all crazy. The Adventures of V12. Let's freaking go, dude. Let's freaking rock out, dude. Yeah, we trying to get a good angle. Yeah, it ain't going. Woo! I might have got to come down. Just do it right here. It's freaking cold, dude.
Y'all, I'm terrified right now. We are sledding once again, and y'all, just know this is the end that I'm at, and he's all the way up there. I think he needs a push, y'all. Oh, motherfucker! Look at this. Scoot over. Scoot over. You scoot over this pole right here. Y'all, he done moved right here. Where you think he gonna hit first? The fucking pole. Let me scoot up, because he got me fucked up. I'm scared. Yeah. Let go. It's not doing it. You can't hear me. Okay. Okay. Be careful. Almost fell. You want me to come right here with this pole at? Got me scared. I don't even think I got him, y'all, because I was so scared he was going to go into the motherfucking street. All right, yeah, go right here down the middle. Ooh, that hurt, y'all. I'm trying to grab his foot where he break my motherfucking finger. It's cold as shit. His foot was just cold as shit on my hand.